Okay, so I'm gonna open the BA-20 ARMO-RED vehicles. There's a 4-in-1 set and the 6 plus, which I'm 6. And this, if you get all 4 of these, that means that's how it is. Okay, let's open it now. So it comes with one minifigure. We have this and we have the guide. I mean, we have this and we have the guide. First step, you put the minifigure which I cannot put the arm on. A little help please to them. I cannot do it. A little help here. Here's the other arm and here's the gun. So I need to find the other arm. Oh, there it is. Wait. Whoa. Almost all of the pieces are green, but not the minifigure. Then I took it. I literally knocked the head out, and I'll put it back and I'll get the gun. Or pew pew, because it's like pew pew. How to do this? Next, I'm gonna put it, so I need to build it. I need to continue building. Wait, now I found the other piece. So 2 is get this and this one which is beside the minifigure, and bam, and like this. Then step 3 and get the other one of this one and put this. Where's that piece? Where's that piece? Where's that piece? It's supposed to be a small. It's supposed to be a. Wait. Oh, just a nozzle. Somehow. Wait. Oops. Wrong one. Oh no. Some of the pieces are stuck in the floor.
A few moments later.
The next step is you start it and you put it over here, then get some of these which I can see only one. Oops, the instructions, and I'll put this. So there's 2 clips on it, and how about I do this? How about then? Nope. Let's see much. That. And then I'll put it back there. And time for 4. And wait, what? There it is. And add it here. And put these pieces which is for the wheels. Which we're gonna go. Which is gonna be the later. So, how to do this? I don't even know how to do this. So it's time for 7. 7 is with where is that piece? So I put this one. Wait, that's not. Oops, I guess I was wrong. Then I'll put it here. Oops, wrong again. And where's the other clip? So I will add these pieces. I mean these. Oops. Let me. I was just fixing it. So, and you will attach it. And the instruction says put it. Wait, what? You will put it here and this. And oops. And then I'll put it over here. And next is this. And we'll find some cheese with face. This, oops, so I add, where is that piece? Wait. And where are those? Oh, there they are. This is like a robot body of some sort. To build, put these So you put two of these nozzle pieces, which looks like sprayer pieces, but regular just call them nozzle pieces. And if you do it like this, it looks like horns. Ooh, but it's actually headlights. It's so wait. There's only one of this. I'll put it over. We're back. So this piece was what? Oh, that goes against. I'll put this on it and put it back where it belongs. And time to number 11. So it has this everywhere nozzle piece, maybe. I just call it that because I don't know. So time to put this and this long technique beam of some sorts, and we're almost done. And here's the other one. Wait, what? This comes with faded. Oh, there it is. So, and I know how to build this. Or build this like rock and roll. Wait, what? This is. Oops, I guess I was wrong. I was wrong because it comes with this piece too, and time to put it. Oh, there, and we'll put it over here. Then last but not least, put the wheels. Let me see. Then I'll put it. Then bam, it's complete. You wonder if the minifigure can get inside. Well, no.